It's so shiny.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Rosa, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a DIY reflector using just a gift wrapper. Yeah, you heard me, using just a gift wrapper. So use it also for my video. That's what I'm using for my video right now. It's so shiny. You can also use it for your pictures and it's going to turn out great. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Okay guys, so these are the things you'll be needing for your DIY reflector. So you get your scissors, then your gift wrapper. So you get a gift wrapper, then you get your sellotape, then this board that I have that I don't use. So you wrap your gift wrapper around it. You can use the front, but I'm not going to use I'm going to use the back, the shiny part. So I wrap it around it, then I turn it over, then you wrap it like you're wrapping a gift. You then use your sellotape to sellotape around it to secure it. Okay guys, so you should also sellotape it for it to be flat. Do the same thing to the other side too. It's so easy. It's like you wrapping a gift for someone. When you're doing it, just have it in mind that you're wrapping a gift for someone, and that someone is you. So we're going to sellotape the middle part also flat. You don't need to use so much sellotape like I did, but I think when you use more, you secure it so well. Yes, so you're done. This is your reflector, DIY reflector, or I call it ring light, even though it's not round, it's a rectangle shape.
I take some pictures and I'm going to insert it into the video so you see the results of before and after. That's before the reflector and then after the reflector.
On your left is with the reflector and on your right is without the reflector. So the one on your left is without the reflector and the one on the right is with reflector.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and then leave a comment down there. See you in my next video. Okay, bye.